Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here is the sellers area. Because of my network, I placed one trade, was not executed, I don't know, then I place it again, but not bad. You see, this is strong sellers area because of the ranging market, and this is the sellers area. So you see, this is winning trade. So let's analyze another market. Let's analyze again. I don't know what's wrong. So the network is bad today. So here you see this level is strong level here. The market is not good. Here is strong level. I'll place call option because of the rejection from this level, and the level is strong, and you see strong rejection, so I know definitely it will close above this 20 MA. So that's why I place my trade. You see rejection, and this level is very strong one. So that's why I place my trade call option. So you see here, this is the level. See, very nice entry point. You see, this is winning trade. So let me analyze another one. So I'm trading spot and resistance. So I will check another strong level and trade. But here you see market is reversing. This is the continuation, but this is level, but market you see is very bad. This is bad market. Let's change another one. Yes, here momentum, but this level is strong. Yes, here is strong area. So if market reaches level, I will place my trade here. Yes, you see, but no rejection. No rejection. No rejection. So market is breaking the level, but not bad. The level is very strong. You see, buyers couldn't go up. Yes, no bias. So if I get higher entry point, I will place put option because I couldn't see any strong bias. Yes. Anyway, I will not place my trade. Not place my trade now. I will wait. You see, sellers entry, because this is the strong sellers area. You see sellers. You see sellers entry. I see strong I do see rejection from this level. Yes, not bad. Down, I will place call option because I see rejection from this level. Down, because of the range market, I will need better entry point, but market is not coming down. I wanted to enter from this level, at least here, because I know it may create red candle. So market, you see, market is create red candle. I wanted to enter below this level. Yes, you see, market is reversing. At here, this range market, this is range market. So let me check another one. Yes, see another area here. This is another level. This is the bias area. Bias area here. So not bad, you see, market is going up from this level. And this is the sellers area. Here is strong sellers. You see strong rejection, but trend is uptrend, but still here sellers will enter from this level. Yes, I know definitely sellers must enter from this level. And you see overall trend is up, higher high, higher low. Let me draw a level like this. Yes, here, this is channel. This channel is very strong one, so I will wait for market to come and touch this channel, then I place my trade call option. Here I know definitely a strong level, even though I see engulfing candle, it will not work. Engulfing candle will not work here. See rejection area. Yes, rejection. Yes, market open below. I will place call option. Yes, I place my trade call option because I know definitely here, even though you see strong sellers, but buyers must enter from this level because this is the strong level. It will create a weak candle, so that's why I place my trade. You see, even the market is doing some panic, I know it must give me winning trade. See strong rejection. So see, we have 17 seconds. Yes, I see market is doing panic. You see strong bias entry. I know definitely buyers must enter from this level. You see winning trade, so that's why I place my trade. I know definitely here you see strong bias entry, so that's why I place my trade here. So I have finished my trading. Let me explain why I took my trade. First of all, I took my trade here. Why? After strong bullish momentum, market is ranging. You see, ranging, ranging here. So if market is ranging, anytime you see strong bias, when market reaches this level, you should expect bias. Here you see, but this candle gap down, that's why it didn't close here at this level. If this candle close at this level, bias will enter. But here you see where I took my trade here, this candle you see here, I took my trade on this candle, so there was network problem. I placed my trade, it was not executed, then I place it again. That's why you see two trades at the same times, but not bad, because I know definitely because of the ranging market. In a ranging market, anytime try to get entry point. You see here, because you see the movement, market come to this level, you see, then sellers entry. When market come again, you should expect sellers. You see strong rejection, you see, then sellers, then you see, then buyers entry because of the ranging market here. So but you see momentum now, so sellers may break this level. After this momentum, then market will start going strongly down, because you see this ranging market took almost how many minutes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So if you see any ranging market at least 25 to 30 candle, you should expect breakout. You see, when you see this momentum, so now you should expect strong sellers entry. So that's why I place my trade put option at this level. Then the next trade, you see here, you can see from this level I place my trade call option. Why I place my trade call option? After this momentum, you see bullish momentum. After bullish momentum, you see red, green, red, green, red. So you should expect green candle. So that's why I know definitely this candle must be green, and it didn't break this level. This red candle didn't broke this level. This area is a level here. You see, this is the spot area, and this red candle with long tail didn't break this. So if this candle break this level, I will not place my trade. I know market will create double top. You see, it will create like double top, but you see first top, then second top here. So if this candle, this red candle broke this level strongly, so I know definitely this level must be broken. So this candle is weak candle, it's reversal candle at this spot area. So I know definitely buyers must enter. That's why I wait market to come to this level, then I place my trade call option. So then the last trade here, you can see here, I took this trade after drawing this trend line, after this momentum here, as I was telling you. After this strong momentum, you see market movement like this here, then like this, you see, then maybe market will break this level. Now if you look carefully, you can see head and shoulders here pattern. You see, that's why I told you. So you should expect strong momentum at least to this level. So that's why here, when I draw my trend line like this here, this channel, you see strong bias at this channel. then another strong buyers, then strong sellers. So I know even if you see strong sellers, because the area is very strong and the overall trend is uptrend, so I know definitely buyers must enter. When I placed my trade, markets was doing panic, so I know definitely buyers must enter. So that's why I placed my trade at this level. So this is the end of this video. If you like my video, please like it. Please like, share and comment. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. I will say thank you. Bye bye.